guys, I'm Mr. Kites. I'm just running around and I'm finding diamond. I want to kill diamond, but I don't wanna die with the level max. And I am using mammoth fruit too. My favorite sword is pipe too. Sorry guys, I don't have fragments. And I have only electric. Wait, what's that? What the heck? That's okay. Let's go. Let's kill diamond. Oh my god. Please, I don't want to die. Let's go. Let's run around and around. Oh, I forget I need to jump here. Oh, diamond is here. Round 1, fight. Oh my god, diamond. I'm level only 742 and you are level 750. Please, I don't wanna die here. Psycho. Oh no, I'm going to die. Ow. Let's go again. Round 2. Fight. Bro. Not again. My energy is going low. I tried the help. Where is Diamond? I cannot see him. Oh, I see him now. Not again, why is like going? Not again, why is health is full? I'm sorry, Diamond. I'm sorry. Psycho. Nah, where is he? Wow. Nah. Not again. Round 3, fight. Round 3, fight. Oh no, they're killing me. Okay, let's skip now. Round 4, fight. But again, his health is now full again. I think I need help over here. Come on. Faster. No, not again. Yes. My friend. Let's go, friend. Nah, I made a bug. I made a glitch or bug. Bro, help. Yes, I'm not. Let's go. Come on. I need another player. Help. It was close. Oh no, I'm going to die again. Not again. Bro, let's. I made a big bug again. Come on, faster. No. Bro, it's not. Help. I'm going to use my amazing pipe. Come on. Nara! You can do that. But again, I'm dead again. Let's go fast. I don't wanna die here. Bro, Kitsune is so fast. Oh, come on. Bro, Bro, faster. Bro, faster, 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 faster. He's going to die now. I don't wanna die here. No! I didn't kill him. Why? I think I need to collect some money to buy a fruit next video. Let's go home. Let's go. More. I think I need to get there the money in the, I don't know what they call this. In the Kingdom of Rose. Like that. Let's practice. Bruh. Let's grind. It will make my level 743 and next time 750. I think I'm military cook. Fast. Here, let me fight some mercenary. Okay. I know I'm going to die here again. Bro. I'm too laggy. Bro, help, I'm too lag. Chick. Ow. Bro, what's too laggy? I'm too laggy. Why I'm too laggy? We're gonna make this. Bro. Faster. Mercenary. Die. Yes, 113. I think next video is we will gonna complete 200 stampede like that. And the 200 is now done. We will make another video next time. We will unlock the 300. We have 2. I think I need 5 more or 6 like that. Mercenary die. I have an idea. Let me kill this first. Come on. We will make a mercenary too easy basic. Not harder, because it's my turn na. I'm going to die again. I died too many times. Not again. I died again. No. Let's go. Forward again. Oh, I know. Let's go. If you want to add me, I will say the name. I don't know. Let me pick in the community. Ow! Go faster, your brother. Oh, cheers. There was another one. Yes, let's get another one and ready to, and we are finished. Ow! to lagi help me. Ow! Not again! Bruh. The Queen's Ketchup Classic only. I don't know why. Let's go. Let's go. And Outlast 2. There's 2 offers. But what's that globe? Wow! Help! I'm just joking. Ow! My feet, I think I need to. I'm too laggy again. Bro, why? Not again, I'll be the glitch. I'll be the bug again. Faster. We are done. Yes, we are done now.